Hello, I'm Oliver from Virtual Manufacturing, and today I'm going to talk a bit about Discrete Event Simulation and what it can do for you and your business. Discrete Event Simulation, or DS for short, can be used to identify bottlenecks. Simulating an existing production line can be a good tool to find out where you should make changes in order to get the most out of your production. Here at Virtual Manufacturing, we not only use Discrete Event Simulation to see where the current problems are, but also predict where the future ones are going to appear. No matter if you're making changes to an existing production line, if you have a greenfield project, or if you just want to know the capacity of your current production line, it's always good to simulate. So if you are looking to drive efficiency and innovations at your operations, we are here to help. So contact me and my fantastic team here at Virtual Manufacturing, and we can look into how we can help your business with Discrete Event Simulation.